Dr. Erica Kraft Mizuta here. We're using this BOSU ball and we're working on some techniques for pitchers and catchers. So Ian also likes to catch. Catchers need a lot of balance, a lot of leg strength, a lot of core strength. You can use the BOSU ball to work on that. So I told him to climb on top of that BOSU ball, and I'm going to have him just practice trying to hold his catcher position on this BOSU ball. And you can see this is actually not easy to do. So he's got to hold his abs in and really work on his core strength and also balance. And stand by when your kid's practicing until their balance is good. Put them next to a wall. Try again. Better. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks.